Okay, we're gonna do 6 single crochet in magic ring. Pull it. I did it in a different color earlier, and it was dark color, couldn't see properly, so I need to change the color so y'all can see it. Now round 2, 2 and 3 will be the same. 5 single crochet, 5 single crochet. See, same only. 2 and 3 rows. Fourth row is, yeah, that one single crochet, second one will be 2. One and 2. The rest will be single crochet, single crochet. So altogether will be 7 single crochet chain there. These 2 rounds will be the same, only no increase, no nothing. Round 7 is 1 there and there 2. One and 2. And 1 and 2. The rest of it will be 1 1 1 until the red color. The next one, the next lane, 2 rounds, same, no increase, no nothing. round 10, there's 1 and here 2. 1 and then 2. 2 already. 1, 2. So increase already. 3. Now go for all 1, 1, 1. The next 2 rounds will be 1, 1, 1 only. Round 13, 1 there, 2. 1, 2. Only 2. So the rest all will be single, single, single. Round 14. 14 and 15 single crochets. No increase, no decrease. Same. Round 14 and 15. Round 16. 1 there, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And the rest all will be 1. The rest all will be 1, 1, 1. Now this one you have to do 2 rounds, 17 and 18, same only. All single crochet, no increase, no nothing, same. This round 20 and 21 same only, single crochet all in one chain. Done. Take out the thread out and do a slip chain there and a knot and cut it off. There. So you can sew it to the end of the body. Stuff in your what fiber, and there I did that. So it's dark, so it's kind of hard for y'all to see it, so I have to redo again.